What is going on? All right, I hope everyone is doing well. Today is the day that I'm gonna do this. I hope the window's not bothering you guys. Anyway, so today is the day of the video on this. My Christmas present. I got to put it on the truck. All right, so of course, as I start recording, the wind decided to pick up. So I'm gonna do the beginning over here, and then I will go over there to show you guys, and I'll try to do as minimal talking as possible. But what's really cool is that this installation was super simple, and it was like, seriously, it was really easy. It literally was about 20 minutes, not even. Just under shy of 20 minutes for the install. And that's including the light, the wiring, and the bracket. 20 minutes for light installs. Like, seriously, can't get any better than that. All right, so I know you guys are probably seeing this huge thing right here. I am in the middle of kind of like relighting my garage, as you can see. We'll talk more about that on another episode. But this episode is gonna be about the Rigid D-Series blacked out light pods that I got for Christmas, and the GS Power hood bracket for the GMC and Chevy trucks for about 2007 to 2014. All right, so let's head over to the truck now. Don't mind the wind. I'm going to try to do this as quick as possible because it's going to be an early explanation. Oh yeah, which, by the way, the reason why I'm explaining this right now is because when I did the video, I didn't realize that my audio wasn't working or my microphone wasn't working. So all you're going to be seeing, if I did put it, you're going to be seeing me do one of these with no audio. But what I am going to do is I'm going to still put the video of me installing it, but we'll do like a montage thing with some music in the background and, you know, just get like jiggy with it, you know. Yeah, I'm talking too much and I'm making a fool of myself. All right, let's head over to the truck. This bracket is held by 2 bolts. Now, when I installed this, I thought that I was gonna have issues with the alignment of the hood. Yeah, I didn't, so here, let me show you. First things first, I'm gonna show you the driver's side, and the reason for the driver's side that I wanna show you first is technically it's a little bit more difficult, tricky one, and that's because of the clip for the plastic covering. So let me go ahead, take off the plastic covering and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so here is the plastic covering right here. Use a flathead screwdriver. I can actually use my key, so I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I get it in there, in this spot right here. Okay, started. There you go. There you go. All right, so this is, and it's a lot more difficult with one hand. Okay, so now the whole reason why this side is the more difficult part is because of this part right here, and that's actually for the clip that's in there. So once this thing passes that, oh, there we go. Yeah, so that's what I was talking about, this spot right here. So there's 3 clips. That's 1, 2, and 3. That comes out. Now, when that is out, you are gonna have to modify it, and you're gonna have to cut it. I still have to cut some more here. It's sort of warping it, as you can see, but I will get to it. Cut out the rubber a little bit more, and that's because of how the bracket is right here. Talking to the wind. Anyways, okay, so with this bracket right here for the hinge of the hood, there's 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3 right there. So basically you want to take out the 2 first bolts, and you can actually do that without screwing up the alignment of the hood. Put the bracket in, put the bolts back in, and now you're good. Same thing for that side. Once the bracket is in, you can install the LED light. Once installed with the LED light, now you got to run the wire. Now, there are a couple of ways that we can do this. We can run the wire so that it basically comes through over here. Now, issue with that is this hinge right here. The wire was actually rubbing and chafing, and that's big no-no. You don't want electrical wires chafing, rubbing, or anything on metal, because over time what ends up happening is it'll wear out, cause a spark, and yeah, I said spark, and then it caused a fire. So what I did was I ran the wire right through in this area. So it's basically between the quarter panel and the frame of the truck, I guess, which led down into this area right back in here. As you can see, can you see? If I can point the camera there. Focus, there you go. There is the wire right there. So now what happens is that it goes behind the hinge and it doesn't chafe or rub on anything, which is awesome. So as you can see right here, focus, right here. All right, so I did the same thing on that side and then ran the wire right along here. What I am going to do is I'm going to end up putting it inside the wiring, factoring wiring harness in here eventually. Came over here right into this box, which is for the 8-gang fuse panel switch. Super simple again, like I said. Found this area that I want to connect it to the switch, put that in, close that up like so. Can't get any easier than this. And then, as I said, I trimmed it and I kept test fitting, and then it got really dark and it got really cold, and then I just said, you know what, I'll do it another day, and there you go. And yeah, it's really nice, man. It's really nice. Okay, so let's put this back. I'm gonna use 2 hands on this. That's how easy the installation was. Let's go ahead, roll the montage video that I put together because there was no audio, and then you get to see on how it looks with the lights. Okay, roll the footage. Pretty much done for that. Okay, so we have everything installed. I'll tie up the wires. Now this is what's really cool about this is pop that open and just it's just trial and error. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's not about me, it's about that. Holy mac. Yeah. So happy with it, man. This is looking wicked. We're not done with the video just yet. I'm gonna wait till it gets nighttime so we can adjust the lights, the pitch and the roll. So that way we're we're aiming the light where we need to see, like where it needs to be. I'm not using these as ditch lights, which is kind of like fisheye type of thing, where you're kind of like looking off to each side into the ditch. These are more going to be focused to the front, maybe a little bit out, but not much. Yeah. Can't wait till the nighttime. We'll see you when it gets darker. Just to show you guys, this is just the lights. Oh, and my fox. That's insane. These lens covers. So we got clear, and then we got the amber color. So let's try the amber. I haven't tried the amber yet. Okay, so that's pretty crazy. That looks so cool. Alright, so that is it for today's video. This looks, oh, it's gonna get all washed out. This thing looks awesome. See, like it messed up with the focus. Alright, so that's it for the video. Until the next time, stay safe. Who knows? Maybe we'll see you out there. It is cold. I'm getting back in the truck. Oh my goodness. That's so bright. Ah. With everything on, everything off.